Look what I get to test ride today, fellas and ladies. New 2018 Sport Glide.
Oh, yeah.
All right, everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm here at Ted's Harley-Davidson today. I'm with Brian Henderson. He's one of the sales guys here at Ted's Harley-Davidson. You guys ever need anything when you walk into these doors, come see this guy or any of the other salesmen, all highly qualified, all very knowledgeable, all know what they're doing, and then some. So today we're going to be test riding the 2018 Sport Glide. This is one of the new Softails in the Harley-Davidson lineup this year. One of the things about this bike that really caught my eye was that it's kind of a cross between a bagger and kind of a sporty. Now if you look, you got a fairing here, quick detach bags, and Brian will demonstrate how that's done. So open her up, pull a lever, and pull her off. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I like it. So if you want to go with a bare bones look, you could just take those bags off, you can clip this fairing right off, and you can ride with the wind in your face. It comes stock with the new Milwaukee-Eight 107, and it is one nice looking bike. 2-in-1 exhaust. Looks comfortable, comes stock with passenger pegs and a passenger seat. I'm sure you'd probably want to throw a assisty bar on there if you ride with a lady. Think about a 5-gallon tank, and just looks badass.
Cruise control too.
Cruise control. Nice feature there. All right, so without further ado, let's take it for a zip. Oh.
It's all handled right here.
Yep.
Simply click that down. It's got security on it, so all you have to do is hit the start button. Cruise control activates, it lights up yellow right there. When you press down, it'll light up green. If you want to accelerate, press up. If you want to slow down, press down. You don't have to touch the throttle at all anymore.
Okay. Sounds pretty good.
1 down, 5 up.
All right, it's 5-speed?
6-speed.
Oh, it is 6-speed. So everybody you're watching, you know my previous videos. I come in from riding a 2014 Harley-Davidson Iron 883. This is going to be a little bit of a step up, but I tell you what, it feels pretty good. It doesn't feel a lot bigger than my bike now, but I know it's a whole lot meaner.
It's going to handle a lot more aggressive than your bike too.
A lot more aggressive. All right, well, I'll make sure I take it easy, bring it back the way I got it, man.
Have fun on it.
Do I need to go around, or does it matter?
Shoot straight up here, come out the edge of the parking lot, hang that right.
Okay.
Stop, watch, make another right.
All right, everybody, this is my first time test riding a bike, I think ever, before I ever bought one, because when I bought my Sporty, I didn't get to test ride it because I didn't have my license, but this will be a brand new experience, and I'm excited. Woo! All right, so right off the bat, I am not used to forward controls, so I'm kind of taking it easy, but man, this thing, like a streamlined butterfly, guys. It is a nice ride. Feels really nice. It's really nimble. It is a lot different from the Iron, I could say that. Riding position is different. I feel like I'm sitting a little bit higher, but the seat actually doesn't sit that high. And it feels great. Yeah, the shocks are really nice compared to my Iron too. This bike's got 15 miles on it. Yeah, man, compared to that iron, there was hardly any shake in this. You still got that Harley-Davidson look and feel, but not all the shake that I'm used to on that iron. This is a fun bike just right off the bat, man. So the fairing, it does block a little bit of wind, but it doesn't block at all. I got a full face helmet on, I'm still getting plenty of airflow. So nope. Holy crap! You guys have to excuse me, I opened her up a little bit. I'm kind of speeding, but man, I have got an ear-to-ear grin on my face. Yeah, not going to take long to get used to these forward controls. Not at all. Does pretty well in the turns. Like I said, I'm taking it easy. I'm not throwing it into the turns by any means. But it rides really smooth, guys. See how it does on a right at a stop. Nope. Don't want to pull out in front of that fella. Yeah, shifting's a little weird for me because my iron's a whole different box of rocks. The mid controls are definitely different than these forwards. But like I said, you can get used to it. A couple rides and it'll be like I've been doing it since I've been riding. Yeah, there's hardly any shake sitting here at idle, man. It's a nice ride. I dig it. Here's a little shock test on one of these railroad tracks. Let's see how it feels. Doing about 20. Not bad at all. Let me get a little room in front of this Trailblazer so I can open it up a little bit down here. Yeah, it's definitely got some scoot, no doubt about it. But when you come from an 883cc engine to this, it's pretty much a night and day, but it is way more comfy. The seat is actually really nice. I wouldn't change much about this bike at all. Maybe the exhaust, but you know, that 2-in-1 exhaust is going to give you a little more power than sound, but I know there are some 2-in-1s out there that sound pretty dang nice. Heck yeah, man. I don't know if there's gel in this seat or not. I'll have to look that up, but it is a nice feeling seat. Mirrors are fine. They're pretty standard looking Harley mirrors, same shape my Sporty had stock. They don't need to be flipped. I can see everything behind me pretty well. All right, so we're back at the dealership. Almost. We'll get there. And then it's all right. It's a busy place. They're just looking for a parking spot. Well guys, I'm pretty impressed. I've been wanting to ride this bike for a while now. I'm glad I finally did. One of the big things that's got me sold on this bike, and I know it's not a big difference maker, but I mean, look at these Manus wheels. These Manus wheels are really cool looking. They're kind of different for Harley other than spoke or mag. Some people like them, some people don't. I think they're great. Now this bike does come standard with ABS, so stopping was very smooth, very nice. Something I'm not used to with the Sporty. Things I would do different, I would go to a stage 1. I would probably put a new exhaust on it. But I mean, stock, it's a nice looking bike, man. It's like the little details that Harley puts into their work is just awesome. Like just putting that logo into there, stuff like that. Just these little things, the details are what makes Harley-Davidson, I think, a great bike company. I know there's people out there that love Harley. I know there's people out there that don't really love Harley, but it's kind of a thing. Either you love them or you don't. I mean, I'm a big fan. I like all bikes, but yeah, this is a really nice bike. All right, guys. Well, that'll do it for the day. Brian, thanks a lot, man. Thanks for hooking me up with a test ride.
Glad you enjoyed riding it.
So, for the people watching, what's the sticker price on this guy?
$28,999.
$28,999.
Equipped with a 107 motor, the front fairing, the mags.
Is it 28 or is it 8 or 18?
$18,999.
$18,999. Okay, not bad.
Not too bad for everything you get, because a lot of the new motors don't have the simple thing as cruise control, and a lot of the guys are wanting cruise control now.
Right.
These are all electronic throttles now. If you're not having your cables come down, there's no way to do a throttle lock on it anymore, so they're doing cruise control.
Awesome. All right, guys, well, that'll about wrap it up. Brian, and thank you very much. And to say thanks, I want to hook you up with one of my shirts.
Awesome.
And I'll make sure I come see you when it's time to trade in the iron.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Thanks, man.
Okay, guys, well, that'll do it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Let me know if you had any questions about the Sport Glide that I didn't get to in the video. You guys take it sleazy. I'll see you in the next one.